Hi, I'm Yunhei. I'm from Myanmar. Sorry if I sound bad, I'm kind of sick. Um, so yeah, let's get on with it. So marine plastic pollution is the topic that I'm going to be talking today. And so what's marine plastic pollution? Marine plastic pollution is a type of pollution that is being caused in the oceans and usually caused by the disposal of plastic by us into the oceans, and this is now becoming one of the most pressing environmental issue today, and it's getting very bad. So the big questions come: how do these rubbish goes into the marine environment or any kind of environment? So rivers, wind, tides, rainwater, storm drills, sewage disposal, and even flood occurrences, they all carry these plastics from our populated areas to the marine environment. Uh, the trash size can range from original size like a bottle or plastic to microplastic where they are being degraded by fragmentation of plastic. So yes, so in Australia, uh, back in between 2010 to 2011, 1.4 million tons of plastic were used, and only 20% of them were recycled. So where did the rest of 80% go? As we all know that Australia is not known for its landfill activities like in Singapore. In Singapore, um, there are many new places that is being built just by landfill, so that we can expand where people are living. We can at least throw trash where it's safe. But in Australia, landfill is not the first way of solving the plastic pollution. In fact, only 20,000 tons of plastic were used towards landfill. 1.4 million tons of plastic, by the way, and only 20,000 was used for landfill. So where do the rest go? Like I said, it all end up in oceans, water bodies, and they in long term they start to affect the marine life cycles. So yeah, and we all know that uh, burning plastic waste is not the actual way to do it too, since it damages our ozone layer, and this can lead to another bigger problems like global warming and stuff. So yeah. So how dumping plastic into ocean is bad? Why is it bad? So we all know that if we dump plastic into oceans, animals might eat and they will choke, they will die. Yeah, yes, that is true, but it's not the only problem. The chemicals involved in these plastic products are very intoxicating, and they are very bad for the aquatic system, because let's say this plastic includes hazardous ingredient, and they will affect the lifestyle just by being absorbed by what the marine species eats. Let's say it's absorbed by seagrass, and a turtle is gonna eat it. It's gonna be very bad for it because it's very intoxicating, right? So yeah. So it's the marine animals are not just affected by indigestion process, it's also affected by being involved in the food web. So how do we solve these cases from happening? So we know that every day we're using so many plastics. When we go shopping, when we buy something, we don't need plastic. Don't take it. We need to reduce our plastic usage. That would be the first step to solving this problem. And and we all know that marine plastic pollution is a global environmental issue, which is caused by massive use of single-use disposable items like plastic bags and bottles. So we should reduce our plastic usage in order to save these marine animals. Thank you.